Python, from the Greek word /, is a genus of nonvenomous Pythonidae found in Africa and Asia. Until recently, 7 extant species were recognized. However, 3 subspecies have been promoted and a new species recognized. A member of this genus, P. reticulatus, is among the longest snake species and extant reptiles in the world. In Africa, members of the genus are found in the tropics south of the Sahara, but not in the extreme southwestern tip of southern Africa, Western Cape, or in Madagascar. In Asia, they are found from Bangladesh, Nepal, India, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka, including the Nicobar Islands, through Myanmar, east to Indochina, southern China, Hong Kong and Hainan, as well as in the Malayan region of Indonesia and the Philippines. Some suggest that P. malaris and P. sabi have the potential to be problematic invasive species in South Florida. The United States Department of Agriculture reports that only Python bivitatus is an invasive species in the United States. In early 2016, after a culling operation yielded 106 of the animals, Everglades Park officials suggested that thousands may live within the park, and that the species has been breeding there for some years. More recent data suggest that these pythons would not withstand winter climates north of Florida, contradicting previous research suggesting a more significant geographic potential range. Python skin is used to make clothing, such as vests, belts, boots and shoes, or fashion accessories such as handbags. It may also be stretched and formed as the soundboard of some string musical instruments, such as the hoosepike fiddle, sancxian and the sanshin lutes. Many python species, such as P. regius, P. bronchosmi, P. bivitatus and P. reticulatus, are popular to keep as pets due to their ease of care, docile temperament, and vibrant colors, with some rare mutations having been sold for several thousands of dollars. Despite controversy that has arisen from media reports, with proper safety procedures pet pythons are relatively safe to own, and deaths associated with them are isolated compared to other domestic animals, such as dogs and horses.